Stop scrolling. Your future starts now. One choice today changes everything tomorrow. Most people wait. Winners begin immediately. Small actions create massive, invisible momentum. Discipline feels hard, then becomes freedom. Your habits silently shape your destiny. Consistency beats motivation every single time. Progress begins with uncomfortable, honest effort. Today, choose growth over convenient excuses. Learn daily, and your mind expands. Focus is your rarest superpower now. Protect your attention like precious gold. Wake early, win the first battle. Make your bed, then make progress. Drink water, move your body, breathe. Train your mind before training muscles. Read something useful before checking messages. Replace complaints with deliberate, useful actions. Each finished task builds greater confidence. Confidence grows after repeated kept promises. Promises made to yourself matter most. Start before you feel fully ready. Clarity appears after disciplined, repeated action. Every distraction steals pieces of potential. Guard your goals from noisy temptations. Build routines that carry you forward. Simple systems outperform temporary bursts forever. Your environment either helps or harms. Surround yourself with focused, ambitious people. Borrow courage from people already succeeding. Failure teaches lessons success never reveals. Treat setbacks as feedback, not verdicts. Rejection redirects effort toward better paths. Patience turns effort into real mastery. Mastery requires boredom, repetition, and trust. Celebrate tiny wins, they accumulate quickly. Momentum loves consistent, honest repetition daily. Sleep enough and think much clearer. Energy is built, not magically found. Eat better and your mood improves. Movement awakens ideas trapped inside fatigue. Stretch your limits without breaking them. Challenge discomfort before it hardens fear. Fear shrinks when confronted repeatedly, calmly. Action is the antidote to anxiety. Breathe slowly. Your nervous system listens. Write thoughts down before they spiral. Planning reduces chaos and wasted effort. Prioritize essentials, then eliminate the rest. Saying no protects your future yes. Time is spent, never truly saved. Use calendars, alarms, and clear checklists. Break goals into doable daily steps. Massive dreams require humble beginning steps. Start with 10 minutes, not excuses. Do one thing completely, then continue. Finish everything you begin today, now. Completion creates pride and inner order. Order creates calm, focus, and speed. Discipline is self-respect made visible daily. Self-respect grows through repeated good choices. Every choice whispers who you become. Choose the version you admire most. Adopt standards higher than your comfort. Comfort zones slowly shrink your ambitions. Growth begins where comfort ends today. Accept awkward beginnings, they are necessary. Nobody masters anything without awkwardness first. Practice in private, perform in public. Quiet effort eventually becomes visible success. Your current struggle is temporary training. Keep going while others quit early. Persistence turns ordinary people truly remarkable. One disciplined week can change direction. One disciplined month changes identity completely. One disciplined year changes everything forever. Do not negotiate with weak impulses. Build willpower through small, repeated victories. Your future self is watching closely. Make decisions that future you celebrates. Choose long-term strength over short-term pleasure. Reward progress, but stay hungry always. Stay hungry for better habits tomorrow. Reflect nightly on wins and lessons. Gratitude keeps ambition grounded and steady. Remember how far you've already come. Then keep climbing, one step higher. Your next breakthrough begins with action. Act now. Your life can transform. Stay consistent and share this journey. Subscribe now and grow with us. Like this video to fuel momentum. Your transformation starts with one click. Build patience. Lasting change needs time. Protect mornings. They shape your mindset. Create momentum by finishing small tasks. Replace fear with faithful daily practice. Choose progress even on difficult days. Success favors prepared, persistent, patient people. Change your habits, change your results.